the effort of detailing which has gone into the making of the school to make the students comfortable. And when I say comfortable, it means comfortable with the new learning methods, technology, and they don't lose their roots. That is what I found very exciting in the entire setup. The connectivity across the various 7 countries or 8 countries where GIS is in, where the co-learning can happen, where there are certain important lectures which are being kind of shared across, say, in Malaysia or in India. Students sitting in Singapore can also view it at the same point of time or see the recording, which is fantastic because global learning is the way forward. What I really liked about it is Singapore being such a small country, but the space given, the planning which has gone in building this new campus has been very, very nicely thought for. The effort, the planning by the teachers, the principals, the people who have created the setup is really kind of commendable. I am very happy that my daughter, she has another 3 years to go in this school. She'll be completing her 12th from here in 3 years from now. She's going to have a fantastic learning moving on. We've seen so many institutes and schools or education kind of outlets calling themselves smart, but actually they are not. When we came here, I said, okay, smart. But when I'm going out, I really feel it's actually a smart campus.